for my birthday, I got this camera for my kids and their families. A great thing. This is my first attempt at a movie, and I'm going to show you the rot on the bed of my dump truck that I'm gonna fix. So here goes. So I'm gonna put this on my head and we'll see how that works. Okay, and then I will show you. It's all kind of rotten here, so I'm going to replace the sides. I'm also going to replace the bed. So let's get up in there and see how the bed looks. So we'll just climb over the side here, up into the bed of the truck, and you can see there's rotten boards. So I'm going to take it into Smiley's on Monday and get her fixed. So I'm going to take the sides and the tailgate off. And then let me get out of the truck. And then we'll have our truck a new bed, and I'll put on new plywood on the sides, and it'll all be good. Then I can haul more stuff. So we'll see if the GoPro worked. So I will now sign off. Bye-bye.